Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'll be showing you a review of the 2008 Aston Martin Vantage. I'll give you a good look around the car, the interior, exterior, and all the features that the car has. Let's get to it. I'm here at Spanos Motors in Daytona Beach. I'd like to thank them for allowing me to come down and do this review. Spanos offers a large selection of pre-owned luxury and sports cars. Okay, so we'll start with a walk around of the car. And this once again is a 2008 Aston Martin Vantage. Beautiful car. 19-inch wheels, and they call this the midnight blue color. The Vantage looks very similar to the DB9. You got the classic Aston Martin grille up in the front. Some very nice headlights. This is the Roadster, so it's got the soft top on it, and I'll show you guys that later. Got the rear lip in the back that adds a nice touch to the rear end. Beautiful tail lights. And then of course, the exhaust that really roar with this 4.3 liter V8. With the headlights on, you've got these nice running lamps right here that run along the perimeter of the headlight assembly. Give the car a nice look at nighttime. Let's take a look under the hood now. Got a 4.3 liter V8 that produces 380 horsepower and 302 pound-feet of torque. Has multi-point fuel injection, takes premium gas, and gets about 12 city, 19 highway, which is not horrible for a supercar. But let's be honest, in any supercar you're not really worried about the gas mileage. To open up the doors, you're going to push here, and the handle's going to pop out, and you're going to pull it open. And it has something called Swan Doors, which Swan Doors are simply doors that open with a slight diagonal to the car, and they give it a nice look when opened up, and they also make getting in and out relatively easy. Let's move now to the soft top, and I'll show you how that operates. The soft top is a nice black color, and it's got a glass rear window, and when you're ready to put it down, you go into the cabin, make sure the car's on, and then just lift up the switch right here. It's just as easy as rolling up or down a window. There you go, you're ready to ride. Here's where the car really shines, with its top down. And when the top's down, it really brings out the lines, and sure looks like a lot of fun to drive. So let's say you're riding around, having some fun, but you think it's gonna rain. All you gotta do is hop in, flip the switch, and you'll be dry. Let's take a look inside the trunk. And you'll notice that the car actually has a relatively large trunk. You could probably fit maybe one bag of golf clubs back here. Relatively good size for a sports car. Let's take a listen to the exhaust. So inside you have a good amount of storage. Behind the seats, if you push this little button here, it'll unlock that. And you have a place where you can hang a small jacket or a sweater. Also, when you open up the door, you'll have little cubbies all around the cabin, as well as a rather large compartment back here where you can put some stuff. In here you have some cup holders, an auxiliary jack and a power outlet, and a few other places for you to put some gadgets. Let's jump in, take a look on the inside. You'll notice the two-tone Caspian leather seats. Add a really nice touch to the interior. Hop in. Alright, so you got leather on the sides. Feels like a suede material up here on the roof. Coming around, I'll give a good look at the gauges, and then we'll start it up and show you some other features. Paddle shifters up here. This is an automatic with paddle shifters. You also have a GPS system that will pop up right up there when you start it. Give you a better look at the paddle shifters right here. They're in a very nice location. They're not attached to the steering wheel, so Aston Martin did it right, so you'll be able to easily access. They're easily accessible when you want them to be. Then to start it, you take the key, put it in the ignition, and you twist it, and that will turn on your battery. Then you put your foot on the brake, and right over here you have this big push button start. You push that and the engine will come to life. There's no shifter in this car, but instead you have these buttons right here. So this is reverse, neutral, and drive, and you simply click those depending on which gear you'd like to be in. Down here you've got your stereo system. And you also have your climate control system down here on the bottom, as well as your Bluetooth system and a clock. Got your standard automatic windows and adjustable mirrors on this side, your light controls, and down here you have 6-way adjustable seats with a 3-part memory system. The door handles are nicely concealed. This is a handle for opening and closing the door, and the door handle to get in and out is located right there. Alright everyone, that's all I got for the 2008 Aston Martin Vantage. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.